Hello everybody who loves sparkling water and on the latest step of human evolution. The ad SodaStream has created was really amusing. Let's have a look actually how it works. What is the difference between SodaStream Easy, Crystal 2.0 and Duo, and of course which kind of syrups SodaStream provides. If you're interested, let's go. We can start with the oldest version of SodaStream, Easy. I've been using it in the last 3 years and to be honest, it still works perfectly. I purchased it with a discount for approximately 70-75 euros, and what I've got at the package besides the machine itself, there was a full CO2 cylinder, 2 glasses, 2 plastic bottles, and a few samples of SodaStream syrups. How do we actually change the cylinder? In this case, you are opening it. Like that. You can do it in any supermarket like Rewe, Kaufland or Rossmann, DM and others. You can either buy the official one from SodaStream or from any other brand like Ja, for instance. But to be honest, I like the official one much more because I believe I get more sparkled water. But this is my personal preference. The price of those can vary from 6 to around 8 euros. And based on my experience, I exchange this cylinder every 3 months. Which bottles you can use with SodaStream Easy? Normally in the package they have 2 plastic bottles which are not recommended to clean in the dishwasher. So mine are quite old, you can see that they are quite dirty, but there is really good solution. SodaStream as well sells these cleaning tablets, which look like that, and they really do their job. I can just recommend it to you. The latest model that SodaStream launched on the market was SodaStream Duo. It has a little bit different design and also a little bit different way how exactly you do the sparkling water. If before you needed to put the bottle with the water over here, do it like that and then press the button and afterwards, so you've got your drink. Here with SodaStream Duo, so you take a bottle with water, so let's do a test. You put it inside, then close the SodaStream, and press the button. This sound means it's ready. Opening. And we are getting sparkling water. Let's leave it until the end of the video. I think that one of the advantages of this design is that if you press too long and some water drops out of the bottle, it's not somewhere here on the table and I have to clean it immediately, but it's over there and later, if it's needed, of course, you can clean it. There is actually quite important point which kind of cylinder you can use with Duo. I'll show it to you. It has a special one. It has the pink cylinder, and actually this is the only cylinder with which SodaStream Duo will work. Other cylinders will not, so please make sure in case you have Duo, always exchange for the pink one. This is very important. With SodaStream Duo, you have the possibility to use either the glass bottles or the plastic ones. The glass ones you can clean in the dishwasher, which is quite useful. And the plastic one, it is not recommended, and again, you can use these tablets in case you need to clean them. If we are speaking about SodaStream Crystal 2.0, it looks approximately the same as SodaStream Duo. It's just a little bit higher depending if it's open or closed. And with Crystal 2.0, you can use the normal cylinders. So the pink ones are only in SodaStream Duo. Which kind of bottles? They have special crystal bottles made of glass, so which looks like that and have the volume of 0.8 liters. By the way, I have a recommendation for you. SodaStream has quite often different offers and discounts. You can find them in usual supermarkets or somewhere online like Amazon or MediaMarkt. Just wait a little bit and get this machine with a little bit better price. This will be really smart from your side. To sum it up, I personally do not see any difference if it is Easy, Duo or Crystal 2.0. They all work great. However, if you can afford it and spend like 20 or 30 euros more, I would of course go for SodaStream Duo. It has really good design, it is convenient, and it has very nice bottles. Last but not least, let's speak about syrups that SodaStream provides. They have a range of syrups of most popular drinks like Pepsi, 7-Up, Mirinda, Mountain Dew, Cola, and also some tastes like orange, lemon, grapefruit, cherry, and much more. I can say that in general, most of them taste quite good. But what I especially love is their range of syrups without sugar. And actually all of them here are without the sugar. If you check the ingredients for 100 milliliters, there is less than 0.1 gram of sugar. If you're using this bottle, at the end you can get approximately 9 liters of Mirinda. And as we already have all the syrups and the sparkling water, let's create the drink. We are using Pepsi. You are filling it until the end. And voila, Pepsi is ready. And of course, as a normal drink, it is much better to drink than it is cold. Don't forget to put like to this video and of course subscribe to the channel if you like it. So guys, let me know in the comments what do you think about different types of SodaStream, maybe which machine are you using right now, and of course what is your favorite syrup of the SodaStream. I'll be super happy to answer all of your questions in the comments. See you soon in my next videos. Goodbye!